Good morning.
I'm going to shut my door.
Foxy, I think you've got something to tell everybody, haven't you?
What?
Come here. Are you a big boy now?
Uh-huh.
How come? Because what?
I'm no more nappy.
No more nappies. Where do you do all your wee-wees?
Potty.
And you have big boy pants now, don't you? Do you want to
Mama,
show everyone
Mama.
do you want to show everyone your stickers? Or your stickers in your bedroom? See how good you are. Come on then.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
21. Wow. Super good boy. It's Monday the 19th of June. I thought I'd start vlogging again because I've been shit. I'm sorry. It's Ari Sports Day today, isn't it? Which is very exciting. I'm off to watch that. I don't know what the weather's going to do, so I've just got shorts and t-shirt on. Stolen t-shirt. I've got to take the potty downstairs. Oh, watch out with the gate, please, mate. Off the gate, bubs. Fox, mummy first. Good boy on your butt. I had 4 viewings on Saturday who all loved the house. So the house is quite tidy. Fox pulled the door curtain down. Don't know what the fuck is going on with my hair today. I did a Tony yesterday, so it's super blonde, which I like. Ari, you excited for sports day? You gonna win? What's your favourite race?
Obstacle.
Obstacle. For some reason.
Mama.
Why are you sitting in the tiny chair?
Chippy.
Because Chippy's... I'm trying to cover your school thing. Chippy's there. Yeah. So, Foxy, move up behind Ari, please. Or Ari, come sit over here. Everyone wants to argue at the minute. That's all they want to do, which is no fun whatsoever. Fox's lunch is ready. My bag is ready. Hi, Benoxels. Hello. Hello. Do you want the tap on? You want the tap on? You want water or you want cuddle? They're all molting so much. Chippy's in heat again, so she's mostly just walking around going wow wow wow. Aren't you? I'm brushing the cats literally every single day. Bandit is the worst. I've been using this. Filming on my phone, by the way. Look. Like, not a lot in there. Actually, wait, something. Just empty that. The kids are shouting at each other, obviously. Why would they not? Fluff. So, empty. He loves being brushed. Don't you, Nana? He'll let me do this all day. Like, what's that? Like 10 brushes? There's so much fluff comes off this cat. It's unreal. He is the worst one for sure. He loves it. Chippy also loves it, don't you? Chippy loves to be brushed, and then Bandit tries to steal her getting brushed. Isn't that nice? Like, that is ridiculous. Like, I don't know how he's got any fur left, for fuck's sake. Not sure what Binksy's doing. Are you having a drink or not? No? The kids were with Ben yesterday for Father's Day. Wedge you on there, can I? Yeah. And I did some cooking. Did a bit of reading. I've nearly finished The Marvellous Mrs. Maisel. It is so good. Absolutely love it. Started watching it a couple of weeks ago. If you haven't watched it, it's amazing. I was very, very sceptical when it was recommended to me. But it's brilliant. Kids have got the pool out. Tiger and my mum emptied it the other day and then moved it and refilled it, which was good. But yeah, I think that's it for now. I will talk to you after sports day. I obviously can't film during sports day because it's at school. I'm not allowed to. There's Gary. For anybody that wants to say hi to Gary. Say hi. He hides up there because he likes to, and he doesn't want me to brush him because He's a fluffy dickhead. These 2 units are for sale if anyone local to Norwich is interested. They're like Cotswolds ones for like 450 quid each or something ridiculous. But I'm selling them for £100 each. So, shameless plug. I'll talk to you in a bit. Hey, it's like 12:30. Aria's sports day. She looked like she had a lot of fun. There was some very annoying parents there, as there always is. And I tried my best to behave. And then I went and got my nails done in Dereham. I've been going to this salon like a month now. I had them done first, and then this is my first infills. Look at them. I love them so much. I'm so happy with them. It's called JJ Nails in Dereham, and they're just fucking awesome. I love them. They're so pretty. And then I left the nail place and was like pootling along in traffic, and a fucking bee flew in my car and landed like on my dash, and I like shit my pants. And I was in like at a red light, and so as soon as it went red, as soon as it went green, I turned and then pulled into this side road and like jumped out the car and was like, fuck, what am I going to do? And then a nice bin lorry pulled over, and 2 lovely bin men got out to help me, and they got the bee out of my car. So that was really nice because I was shitting myself. Yeah, I'm now home. The cats are all, they were all just at that door because they think they're going to get fed, but they're not. I'm going to have some lunch because I feel a bit crazy because I'm caffeinated and I haven't eaten yet. So I'm going to have some lunch and then I'll talk to you again later on. You are?
The sun.
You don't like the sun?
I do like the sun.
Okay. He's having a breakdown because he doesn't like the sun.
I do like the sun.
And now he does. I'm so sweaty. I should just take my top off. I'm so fucking hot. I just parked at the infant school and then walked to the junior school, and it's up a hill, and it was just ridiculous. I'm too hot. Too sweaty. Mika's got thick welly socks on for some reason.
I couldn't find any other socks.
Well, that's your fault. Yeah, Fox doesn't deal well in the heat, so he's
I didn't make the fruit mark.
grumpy. Hey, like 7:45. Mika and Ari have just gone to bed. I have got my crap top down here to do a little bit of work, and then I'm gonna watch a bit of telly. Yeah. Not a lot else has happened this afternoon. Just got Foxy to bed nice and early because he was absolutely knackered. He was being really silly, and when he's really silly, it means he's tired. Me and the girls just watched half of Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince, I think. It was quite good. I haven't seen that one before, so I enjoyed that. Mika's watched all of them now multiple times, and I caught her again this afternoon watching the first one again for about the 15th time. So I said, no, let's watch one we haven't seen. We're potty training Fox, which he told you this morning. He's been so good, and then he had 4 accidents at nursery, one of which was him tipping his entire juice over himself. But then he went through 3 lots of clothes, so I've now got a wash on, which isn't going to finish until 11, I think. So I need to try and keep myself awake so that I can hang the washing out and hope that I have enough clothes for him to go to nursery tomorrow. No plans whatsoever tomorrow. It's probably not going to film. I'm not going to do a vlog every single day because there's no point when it's just me at home by myself because all the kids are in school tomorrow. So yeah, I did a toner on my hair. I can't remember if I told you or not. So it's all nice and blonde now. I need to get my roots redone, but I'm happy with the blonde. I caught the sun, if you can't tell, a little bit sunburned. That was the what do I call it this morning? The sports day. Yeah, I'm gonna do my work, trying to find a course, and then I will talk to you later. No, I'm not gonna talk to you later. I'll talk to you another day. I love you. Thanks for watching. Bye.